After his sweep of Western Visayas in one fell swoop yesterday, the president headed to Bohol and Cebu, where his presence was much awaited by the marginalized sectors in dire need of government help. Our Kenneth Paciente has the details on this latest PAFFF visit.
Farming is the main livelihood of Merly's family. That's why El Nino was a huge blow to her because their harvest was affected and their income fell short.
Naghirap kami, tapos salat sa salapi, salat sa pagkain, salat sa gamot, lahat basta hirap na hirap talaga.
That grief of Merly and thousands of other farmers and fishermen was heard by the government because even if El Nino is over, the government continues to provide help to those affected. Earlier, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself gave presidential assistance to farmers and fishermen. The 10,000 beneficiaries are from the province of Bohol and Cebu. Each of them received 10,000 pesos from the 50 million pesos each given to the provinces of Bohol and Cebu.
Alam kong higit 13,000 pamilya at higit 14,000 magsasaka at mangingisda sa Bohol ang lubos na naapektuhan ng El Nino noong mga nakaraang buwan. Kaya sana po ay makatulong ang mga programa ng gobyerno at ang dala naming ayuda upang tuluyan na kayong makabawi sa mga hamong na dinadaanan ninyo.
The chief executive also distributed farm machinery and agricultural equipment, fertilizer, seedlings, and other fishing equipment such as fiberglass boats. Each beneficiary also received 5 kilograms of rice and other help from different government agencies such as DOLE and training funds from TESDA.
Ang pagsasaka at pangingisda ang ilan pa sa pangunahing industriya dito sa Bohol. At sa angking yaman ng inyong mga lupa at karagatan, isa sa mga hangarin ng administrasyon ko ay palaguin ang pagsasaka at pangingisda sa inyong lalawigan. Nang sa gayon, umunlad din ang ating ekonomiya. Dahil dyan, pamamahagi po natin ang tulong ngayong araw na ito ay nakatuon sa mga magsasaka at sa mga mangingisda at siyempre sa kanilang mga pamilya.
The chief executive urged the LGUs to ensure all the aid handed to them really reaches the beneficiaries. The president also acknowledged again the diligence of farmers and fishermen and assured them of government's efforts to continue and develop more programs for them.
Ikinagagalak ko na ipabatid sa inyo na ang Mabini Kayakay Small Reservoir Irrigation Project ay malapit nang matapos. Nawa ay mapapakinabangan ng mga ito sa lalong madaling panahon nang mabigyan ng sapat na patubig ang lampas na 500 ektaryang sakahan sa bayan ng Mabini at ng Alicia. Hindi namin titigilan at hindi namin titigil ang pagsisikap upang maibigay ang inyong mga pangangailangan.
The beneficiaries in the local government are immensely thankful for this help from the government.
Maraming salamat, Pangulo, dahil naibsan din ang hirap namin mga magsasaka kahit saglit lang. Talagang maraming salamat po.
Napakalaking bagay talaga, sir, kasi yung gagamitin namin ngayon, maaari na ngayong hindi utangin kasi mayroon ng pambili.
Meanwhile, the president assured the government is also set and ready for the expected effects of La Nina. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.